Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a linktree account. So it's pretty simple to create yourself a linktree account, so follow the step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. So with linktree you can add multiple links inside one link, and through that link, like, your fans or all of your followers can go to multiple links. So that's what linktree does. Alright, so let me show you how to do that. So first step, just search for linktree like this, linkttree, and click on linktree.ee over here. It's gonna take you to the official website of linktree. Over here you can choose your name. So I'm gonna write my name over here, this, and click on claim your linktree, and it's gonna take you to the next step. Over here, enter your email. So I'm gonna enter my email over here real quick. Writing your email over here, click on create account and choose a password for yourself. After you choose a password, click on continue, and it's gonna ask you to tell us your name. So write your name. So I'm gonna write my name, click and continue. I'm gonna choose option over here for why I'm creating a link tree, click and continue. And now over here you can choose your plan, whether you want to go pro or you want the free one over here. Whichever plan you want, just click on it and choose get. So I'm going to go with the free one. So I'm going to click on get free, and I'm going to click and continue my link tree. And basically my link tree account has been created over here. Now I can click on add new link to add new link, whether it's of my YouTube or my Facebook or my Instagram page, anything I want. So whichever link I add over here, whenever they click on this link, they're going to be taken to the bunch of link I've added over here. All right. So to add a link, click on add new link and enter the title over here. So I'm going to write the title too, and I'm just going to get a random YouTube link over here of my channel real quick. So I'm gonna get this random link and paste it over here, and it's actually done. So yeah, now after that it's actually done. So this link has been added over here. As you guys can see, it's gonna show up like this. So if I'm okay, I can leave it at that, and whenever somebody clicks on this link, they're gonna take the person to this page, and from this page they click on YouTube, they're gonna be taken to my YouTube. Now you can add whichever link you want instead of YouTube over here. All right, so yeah, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.